So 11th class, we are again back and we are to start the new chapter, flow of control. Okay. In real sense, your programming starts today. Right? From here, we are going to start the actual programming part. Right? So normally when we run the program consists of different statements. Okay. And all the statements are executed in sequence. For example, you are coming in the class in charge always take attendance in sequence. Roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3, 4, 5, likewise. Then the last roll number. It rarely happens that class in charge first say roll number 1, then say roll number 10. Or class in charge takes attendance randomly. Might be students are very less in the class, so class in charge opt to take attendance randomly. But in normal flow, under the normal circumstances, the class in charges always prefer to take attendance in sequence. Okay. Similar is the scenario in the programming part. The statements are executed in proper sequence. A proper channel is followed while executing the different statements in the program. Okay. There are three types of statements: decision control statements, iterative statements, and jumping statements. Okay. First, we take into consideration the role of decision control statements. Decision control statements are the statements where we are to take decision. Whether to do this activity or to not. Like suppose I give one live example to you from your daily life. अगर कल छुट्टी हुई, if tomorrow will be holiday, I will be going to watch a movie. Okay. Now here the user is depend upon the condition. If tomorrow will be the holiday, then I will go to watch movie. Then I will go. But if there is no holiday, no reaction has been given by the user. छुट्टी हुई तो मूवी जाऊंगा, ये तो पिक्चर क्लियर कर दी यूजर ने. अगर छुट्टी ना हुई तो यूजर क्या करेगा? User has not given any option regarding this, that what I will do if there is no holiday. One is this concept. Second concept is, if there is condition and condition goes true, user will do one type of work. User will do one type of work. But if condition goes false, user will go with another option. If tomorrow will be holiday, I will be going to watch movie. Otherwise, I will attend the school offline classes. Here user is specifying that if condition is true, if there is holiday, I will go to movie, I will perform one course of action. But if condition is false, I will perform another course of action. I will attend the school. दोनों में से एक काम होगा, दोनों नहीं हो सकते कि यूजर मूवी भी जा रहा है और यूजर स्कूल भी आ रहा है. डिपेंड किस पे करेगा, कंडीशन क्या है. डिसीजन विल बी टेकन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द कंडीशन. Am I clear up till here? Online class? Samriddhi, Himanshu, Divnoor. Offline lecture. Clear concept? Now in Python, how decision control statements are executed? They are executed by using the inbuilt functions, that is if. If else, if, elif, if. So one by one we will be studying these. Okay, I first of all make a very simple program to demonstrate the concept of if function. Okay, a equal to int input, enter a, b, int input, enter b. Okay, enter a, enter b. I have two variables and I have inputted two variables. Okay, if a more than b, colon, whenever 11th class, I request everyone to on the video for this lecture. Everyone for this lecture, please on your video so that I can interact with you people. Whenever you will create if block, you will add colon after the condition. Whenever you put colon, it means now the block will start and the statements in the block will be indented. वो थोड़ा अंदर की ओर होंगी. ये स्टेटमेंट देखो बिल्कुल लेफ्ट साइड से शुरू हो रही है. Both the statements which I have shaded, they are starting from the left margin. But the statements which are inside the block, they will be indented. Okay? All the statements which are indented will be considered as part of the block. When you write statement out of the indentation, that won't be considered as part of the block. Whenever you put colon here, जैसे colon put करोगे किसी भी चीज के आगे, वहां से block शुरू होगा. If a more than b, अगर a की वैल्यू b से ज्यादा है, see where cursor is blinking. Check out where cursor is blinking. It is now indented. Print a is greater than b. Okay. Now again I have clicked on the left margin. See, block has finished. So how many statements are in the block? Only one statement. A is greater than B. ब्लॉक के अंदर जो स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, they will be executed every time the condition is true. If the condition is not true, the block will not get executed. अब A greater than B तब चलेगा अगर A की वैल्यू B से ज्यादा है. ये तो हो गया ट्रू. कंडीशन ट्रू है तो ये है. व्हाट इफ कंडीशन गोज फॉल्स? ये सिंपल इफ है. इसमें ट्रू वाला पार्ट तो है, बट इट डज नॉट कंटेन द फॉल्स पार्ट. सो व्हाट आई राइट हियर, प्रिंट no results. This statement is the common and the normal statement. It has nothing to do with the block. This is the block. If condition is true, control will go inside and print A is greater than B. When it comes here, the block ends. This is the normal print statement. ये भी प्रिंट हो जाएगा, no results, क्योंकि ये नॉर्मल प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट है. ये तो प्रिंट होनी ही होनी है. If condition goes false, this print statement will not work. It will simply print no results. Okay, I show you practically. I save this code. +1 if function enter A 20, enter B 10. Clear? Online students and offline students. हिमांशु, दिवनूर, समृद्धि, क्लियर है? कंडीशन ट्रू थी तो ब्लॉक के अंदर गया. ब्लॉक के अंदर जो प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट थी वो प्रिंट कर दी. उसके बाद ब्लॉक खत्म हो गया, वो बाहर आ गया. जो नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट थी नो रिजल्ट्स, वो प्रिंट हो गया. ऑल्टरनेटिव टू दिस, I write nothing here. If condition is true, statement will get print. If condition is false, nothing will get print. Enter A 10, enter B 20. No output, nothing get print. क्योंकि false वाला पार्ट तो है ही नहीं है. अगर ये है तो ये है, वरना ये है. अदरवाइज दिस इज देयर. अदरवाइज वाला पार्ट तो है ही नहीं. द ओनली ट्रू पार्ट इज देयर. इफ कंडीशन इज ट्रू, डू दिस. व्हाट इफ कंडीशन इज फॉल्स? दैट इज नॉट हियर. गॉट इट? सो इन द सिंपल if condition is true, statement gets executed. But if condition is false, statement may or may not get execute. अब यहां पे देखो, I write here print by. Okay, A10 B20. What about the line A is greater than B? वो प्रिंट क्यों नहीं हुई? वो स्टेटमेंट प्रिंट क्यों नहीं हुई? A is greater than B because condition was fail. Condition was false. Right? ध्रुव, क्लियर है कॉन्सेप्ट? कोई डाउट? एनी डाउट? युवराज, अर्शदीप, online class, any doubt? Samriddhi, Diya has some doubt. Yes, Diya, unmute yourself.
Sir, तो सर फॉल्स वाले में मतलब कि नो रिजल्ट्स भी नहीं शो होगा?
प्लीज स्पीक स्लो एंड टेल मी योर डाउट।
सर फॉल्स जब फॉल्स होगा तो सर नो रिजल्ट्स भी नहीं शो होगा।
बेटे इफ कंडीशन इज फॉल्स, some part of statement may work or may not work. Okay,
ओके सर।
in the case of simple if,
ओके सर।
this is simple if. Any doubt in simple if? Any doubt in the simple if function? Japanjo, Devanshi, Pragati, no response coming, no thumbs are raised. Harnoor, Divnoor, Jatin, Kavya, Asis, Chirag. Now let us go with the second version of if else, where one statement will run if condition is true, but if condition goes false, then next statement will also run. Okay, I make changes here. If A more than B, A is greater than B. Okay, done. Else, again colon. ये दोनों कीवर्ड्स हैं, देखो ऑरेंज कलर में कन्वर्ट हो गए हैं। एल्स के बाद भी कोलन लगाना है। अगेन द कर्सर इज इंडेंटेड। प्रिंट, सॉरी, बी इज ग्रेटर। ओके, नाउ एनीबडी कैन टेल मी द आउटपुट। A is 20, B is 30. Without running, tell me the output. Let me see how many have understood the concept. A is 20, B is 30. Offline class. A is 20, B 30. Sorry, B is greater by. By print होगा? Yes, by will get print because by is not indented. इसकी पोजीशन देखो और प्रिंट इसकी पोजीशन देखो, वो इंडेंटेड है 4 स्पेसेस छोड़ के। दिस इज नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट, इट विल वर्क, और यू कैन रिमूव इट। ओके, A10, B5. A is greater than B. Another question, will both the statements get executed? No, either true part, this is true part, part before else is the true part, part after the else is the false part. ठीक है ध्रुव? अभी देखते हैं। A10, B5, A is greater than B. Okay, A5, B also 5. 5 more than 5. मैं कह रहा हूं 5 more than 5. I am not saying 5 more than equal to 5. Naturally, sorry, B is greater. I tell you, see the coding here. See the condition, Dhruv. A more than B. Mathematically बताओ, is this true mathematically? क्या 5 5 से बड़ा? तो कंडीशन फेल हो गई ना। जब कंडीशन फेल हो गई तो बेटा यही चलेगा एल्स वाला पार्ट। else part will run every time when the condition is fail. Okay, Dhruv, now tell me the answer. If I do this, A more than equal to B, A more than equal to B, A 5, B also 5. Now the condition is true, either more either equal. Equal तो वो हो ही गया, तो उसने पहला ट्रू वाला पार्ट उठा लिया। Am I clear? Online class, am I clear? Any doubt to any child? Okay, A is 4, B is 5. A is 4, B is 5. Sorry, B is greater. Next concept in if else. अकेला एक वेरिएबल इफ के आगे, इफ के आगे अकेला एक वेरिएबल, नो लेस देन साइन, नो ग्रेटर देन साइन, नो इक्वल टू साइन, नो लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर, नो रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर, just one variable after if. It signifies whether the variable is non-zero or not. What is non-zero? वो जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए, वो जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर वो जीरो नहीं है, कंडीशन इज ट्रू. इफ जीरो इज देयर, कंडीशन इज फॉल्स. 5 is non-zero. 5 is non-zero. A is 0. Sorry, A is 0. Is the concept clear? If you have a single variable name after the if function, whenever you have single variable name after the if function, it signifies that whether variable is non-zero or not. Okay? Okay. अब ट्रू कब होता? अगर वो नॉन जीरो होता, नॉन जीरो मीन्स ट्रू. नॉट ने क्या कर देना? उसके स्टेटस को चेंज कर देना. ट्रू को फॉल्स कर देगा, फॉल्स को ट्रू कर देगा. A5, सॉरी A0. नहीं पता लगा ध्रुव कैसे आया? ये देखो, हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट था A शुड बी नॉन जीरो. वी से 5 इज नॉन जीरो, बट बाहर ये नॉट ऑपरेटर था. नॉट क्या करता है? ट्रू का फॉल्स, फॉल्स का ट्रू. कंडीशन ट्रू थी, इसने उसको फॉल्स कर दिया. जब कंडीशन फॉल्स हो गई तो प्रिंट द एल्स पार्ट. सॉरी, A is 0. Clear? Am I totally clear, online students? Offline class, am I clear?